sun turns into ashes and bows down to the moon, I will wait for you. Alright, so today we're going to be learning how to play In Your Love by Tyler Childers. I think it's a very good song. I like it. And if you clicked on this video, you'd probably like it too. That's just my hunch. I'm basing all of this on the way he played it in that video where he played it like in a bar in 2016. So if he plays it again, he'll probably play it like this. So yeah. It's a very simple song. There are only 4 chords. There are some bar chords, so if you don't know how to do that, go somewhere else and figure that out first, and then come back. The chords you're going to be using is an E major, G sharp minor, F sharp minor, and an A. By the way, these are all relative to where the capo is, as if the capo was the nut. Obviously, E major here is actually just a G chord, but that's all theory. My shoulder just popped. So first, capo on the 3rd fret. That's where we're going to want to do it. The strumming pattern, it's going to be down, down, up, down, up. I dropped my pick. So the verse. He's going to start off the verse. We start off with an E major. And you do this about 4 times. And then you go into the G sharp, A, and then back into the E major. So I'll run that through one more time. And that's how verse 1, 2, and 3 go. Halfway there. On to the chorus. With the chorus, we're going to be just switching off between the F sharp minor and the A. From the verse, we're going to be going into the F sharp minor, A major, F sharp minor, A major, F sharp minor, A major, and then back to E major. And that's how the chorus goes. Let me play that one more time. And the bridge is the same as the chorus. So if you know the chorus, you know the bridge as well. Now throughout the song, I also like to add embellishments on the E major chord. So you'll hear me doing this. That's just me adding my pinky on the G string. Like that. And yeah, that's a very simple song. I'll do a playthrough now for the first verse and the first chorus. So you see how it's supposed to sound like all together. I'll wait for you till the sun turns into ashes and bows down to the moon. I'll wait for you. It's a long, hard war, oh, but I can grin and bear it, 'cause I know what the hell I'm fighting for. I will wait for you. We were never made to run forever, we were just meant to go long enough to find what we were chasing after, and I believe I found it here in your love. Alright, so thank you for listening, watching, and liking, and clicking. Any of all in the above. And if you enjoyed that, I'll be posting another tutorial next week. Make sure to like it, subscribe, so that you can see the next video. Yeah. Peace.